The U.S. Supreme Court today upholding Obamacare for a third time, rejecting a sweeping challenge backed by former President Trump and Republican state attorneys. The court made the ruling in a case spearheaded by the state of Texas. CBS News legal analyst Thane Rosenbaum has more on the reasoning for the ruling.
This decision was on procedural grounds, with the justices ruling 7-2 that those who brought the suit did not have the legal standing to do so because they were not harmed.
Conservative Justices Alito and Gorsuch were the only dissenting opinions. The decision welcomed by California's Attorney General Rob Bonta.
It's a major victory for the 20 million Americans, including at least 3.8 million Californians who would likely have lost their health coverage completely. And a major victory for our country, which has suffered so much from the COVID-19 pandemic and which needs the ACA now more than ever.
The law's major provisions include protection for people with pre-existing health conditions, a range of no-cost preventative services, and the expansion of the Medicaid program that ensures lower-income people.
Hallelujah. This is a huge sigh of relief.
That's John Baackes, CEO of the ACA Health Plan, which administers Medi-Cal and covered California plans. He tells KNX a ruling the other way would have been devastating.
It would have been very disruptive, caused way more anxiety than necessary, and could have, in the end, thrown, for us, about 800,000 people who are here because of the Affordable Care Act. Their coverage could have been in jeopardy. So that's a quarter of our enrollment.
He says the Affordable Care Act is here to stay, and the focus now should be on improving it. And more on the issue of Obamacare. John Baackes is the CEO of ACA Health Plan, which administers Medi-Cal and covered California plans. He tells KNX he's pleased with the Supreme Court ruling today and says the focus should now be on improving the Affordable Care Act.
If you go back 55 years to when we adopted Medicare and Medicaid in 1965, they went back every year for several years after that to do technical corrections to make it right. We've never done that with the Affordable Care Act because it was such a partisan issue.
He says had the U.S. Supreme Court went the other way today, it would have been very disruptive and could have ended coverage for about 800,000 people who are currently getting their coverage through ACA Health Plan.